Good morning, student. I am Opika, teacher of MGSS Darbhanga, class 5th, subject science, chapter 4, chapter name, our skeletal system. Dear student, yesterday I talked about you to skeletal system. Today I will teach you limbs and girdles. Limbs. We have two pairs of limbs, the forelimbs or arms and the hind limbs legs. The bones of the forelimbs consist of the bones of the upper arm, lower arm, and the fingers. The bones of the limbs consist of the bones of the upper leg, lower, and the two forelimbs help us to pick and carry things, while the hind limbs help us to walk and run. Girdles. We have two girdles, the shoulder girdles and the pelvic girdles. The shoulder girdles consist of the shoulder's blade and the collarbone. The forelimbs are connected to the shoulders girdles. The pelvic girdles consist of three large flat bones joined together. The hind limbs are connected to the pelvic girdles. Girdles have joints that help us to move the forelimbs and hind limbs. Limbs, limbs and girdles. Hind limbs, leg. Forelimbs, arms and hands. Pelvic girdles, shoulder girdles. Function of the skeletal system. The skeletal systems give us and support to our body. It protects our soft internal organ. It allows the movement of different body parts. Many bones in our body are hollow. They are filled with a jelly-like substance called bone marrow. It is the bone marrow where our blood cells are made. Joints. Unlike the framework of building, which is rigid and cannot move, the framework of our body can be moved. The bones of the skeleton move with the help of joints. A joint is a place where two bones meet. At a joint, the bones are held together by ligaments. Joints can be movable or immovable. Immovable joints. Joints that do not allow any movement are called immovable joints. The bones of the skull, except the lower jaw, is an example of immovable joints. Movable joints. Joints that allow movement are called movable joints, depending on kind of movement. Movable joints. Hinge joints, movable joints, ball and socket joints, gliding joints, and pivot joints. Pivot joint. This pivot joint is seen between the first and second vertebrae. This allows our head to move from side to side and up and down. Ball and socket joint. It is seen in the bones of the hip and shoulders. The joint allow movement in any direction. Hinge joint. Hinge joint. This joint is seen in the bones of the elbow and knee. It allows movement in only one direction. Gliding joint. Gliding joint. It is seen in the bones of the wrist and ankle. It allows gliding movement, that is, the bones can slide against each other. Cartilages. Thank you.